Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'll show you how you can verify your website with Google Search Console. What is Google Search Console? Google Search Console means your website visibility checker. Like, what is Google Search Console? What is Google Search Console? If you search it here, then you can see Google Search Console is a free service offered by Google that helps your monitor, maintain and troubleshoot your site presence in Google search result. Okay, so you need to verify your website because this is very important, and if you want to track your data, track your audience data, track your performance, then you need to must verify this. Okay, so first of all we need to go to the Google Search Console, GSC. If you search with GSC, then you can see the Google Search Console. Here you can see the Google Search Console. You need to click on start now. Please till around the video because I'll tell you what is the importance of this Google Search Console. You can see the domain option. Domain means if you want to verify your website with your domain host server, like you have buy or you have bought a domain from the GoDaddy or from the Namecheap, then you can verify your domain URL with your domain server. Okay, but you can use this URL prefix just only your website URL. Here you can see this is my website URL, this one is my website URL. I will copy this and after that I will paste it here. Okay, then you can see the continue option, checking verification. After that you can see the option to get the code. You can see the download file or you can see the HTML tag, other verification method. Just you will go to the HTML tag and after that just copy this. Then you need to go to your website again. This is my WordPress website. If you have a Shopify website, then you need to go to your website backend, then you need to go to your theme, then you can see the customize theme, then you can see the three dot option, then you can see edit code, then you need to go to the theme.liquid, then you need to paste it under head tag. Okay, but for the website for WordPress, then you can see the appearance option and others option. But we have another option for code. You can add your code in two ways. The first one is you need to go to the appearance, then you can see the theme file editor, just for check where they paste the code in under the head section. Okay, so I need to go to the website again, then you can see the header.php. okay, then you need to find out the head tag. Here is my head tag. I will copy this tag and also paste it here. Update file. You can see the file will be updated, just 1 minute. File edited successfully. You can add your code with using a plugin. Just you need to go to the plugins option, add new plugin, then you can see the option here, code snippet. Okay, just search here code snippet. Here are the website code snippet plugin. Install now. Then you need to click on the activate. Just a moment, install. It will be the activate option, activate. Okay, then you can see the code snippet plugin here. Just go to the code snippet and click on the add new snippet. I will go to the code snippet, then you can see the add snippet here. Then you can see add your custom code snippet. Click on the add custom snippet. Then you can see the option here, HTML snippet, text snippet or anything. You need to select the HTML snippet. Then you can see the information here, the code option, just paste it here, then click on the save snippet. Because I already set up the code, so I don't need to set up this twice. Okay, so I'll go to this and after that click on verify. Then you can see it is verifying. This may take a minute. You can see ownership verified. Go to property. Here is my website performance and already it is verified. Okay, so performance processing data, you need to back it into this performance data or into this search console within 1 day, because this website needs to be verified first and it will be processing data from your website. Okay, so this is the property option, and if you want to add here another property, then the same thing will be done for the another website. Okay, so these are the information if you want to generate or if you want to connect the website that you have created for your own. Okay, so this is the option for connecting the data. So why it's important, and also I already write in the information, and also I already write in the full guidance here if you want to generate the or if you want to add the website into the search console. And you can see why it's important. Track website performance. If you set up the Google Keyword Planner in your website, then you can see Google Search Console. Then you can track your website performance like Google search result, CTR, impression, click-through rate, ranking position, and others. If you want to indexing, SEO, and optimization, then you can see request Google index new pages faster and also indexed or have indexing issue. You can see this kind of information from the Google Keyword Planner and also from the Google Search Console. You can also fix your website errors and issues if you use Google Search Console. You can see the detect crawl errors, 404 pages, and mobile usability issues. Okay, monitor security and manual action. You can see the Google detects malware, hacking, or manual penalties if they are affecting your website. Then you can see from the Google Keyword Planner, Search Console, and after that you can get the action. Okay, upload your XML sitemap and also analyzing backlinks, internal links, and others. If you optimize your core website vitals, mobile ability, and also usability, then you can use the Google Search Console. Discover ranking keywords. If you see the ranking keywords, let me show you how you can see the ranking keywords. If you go to the performance, then you can see here the queries option, top queries. Top queries means your ranked keywords. You can see these keywords after 48 hours because they are generating the data from your website. Okay, so after that you can detect the structured data. Then you can see with your Google other tools if you use Google Search Console. So these are the options you can use your website for this. But if you want to do the same thing with your website, and if you don't have the time to do the manual SEO like this, you can verify your information here, then you can add information. If you don't have this kind of time, then you can use another tool called Boostify. Okay, Boostify, this tool is a very powerful tool. You can use this tool for your website, and this tool will allow the user who have the website and who don't have the time to do the manual SEO. If they want to do the AI SEO, like they want an AI who will generate the keywords, generate the performance score and everything for your website, then they can use this tool for the website, because this tool will help the website creator and website owners to generate the keywords and also do the AI SEO and everything. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this video, and if you feel this video is important, please subscribe my channel.